go belly up. I had a plan.
Dad?
Hey, kid. You'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
But I don't swim well. I got a bad fin.
One bad fit has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Gil!
But this time we got him. I promise we will all get out as long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success. Yeah, we swim in harmony and we study dentistry. We're the Bishop of Ocean and DDS. Sharkbait, you're one of us now. We can send you up to your death. Donna's coming in 5 days, but you'll be long gone by then. We all will. If we do this the way we do everything else.